President of the United States, the world's most powerful country, is taking hydroxychloroquine, which we all know as an anti-malarial drug, right? And it has been mooted as a possible treatment for coronavirus. However, trials, I don't think, have been conclusive, and there have even been warnings about using this drug. Let's just have a little look at what the President told the press yesterday.
Good things have come out about the hydroxy. A lot of good things have come out. And you'd be surprised at how many people are taking it, especially the frontline workers, before you catch it. The frontline workers, many are taking it. I happen to be taking it.
Hydroxychloroquine?
I'm taking it, hydroxychloroquine.
When?
Right now, yeah. A couple of weeks ago, I started taking it. Because I think it's good. I've heard a lot of good stories. And if it's not good, I'll tell you right, I'm not going to get hurt by it. It's been around for 40 years for malaria, for lupus, for other things. I take it. Frontline workers take it. A lot of doctors take it. Excuse me. A lot of doctors take it. I take it. Now, I hope to not be able to take it soon because, you know, I hope they come up with some answer.
Well, I mean, it would be sort of faintly comical the way that he talks about it, Dr. Hilary, except that it is potentially quite dangerous.
Yeah, it can be very toxic. It's better than intravenous bleach, I have to say, which he was suggesting
Just a step up from his...
a few weeks ago. Hydroxychloroquine has been around for a long time, and there was an initial suggestion that it could help to prevent the reproduction of the virus within human respiratory cells. However, even from the very outset, China said that they'd conducted trials with hydroxychloroquine. It didn't show any benefit. It's not shown any benefit in other work in the States. The Centre for Disease Control have said it could actually do more harm than good. It can cause heart failure. It can cause heart irregularities in COVID-19 patients. It's very toxic to the liver. And therefore, there are no benefits that have been shown in clinical trials, although clinical trials are being conducted in this country
in fact, at the...
And actually could be dangerous.
Well, at a veterans centre, for a lot of veterans, they tested it, trialled it on a lot of veterans, and they discovered that those who had taken hydroxychloroquine, I can never pronounce it right, hydroxychloroquine, that they actually did worse than the ones who hadn't.
Yeah. Well, this is the problem. It's quite a toxic drug and needs to be used very carefully. There was a time, I think, when some of our frontline NHS workers were using it as a preventative.
Well, that's what he seems to suggest, because he said frontline workers use it. A lot of doctors use it.
They were using it. It seems like he's about 3 weeks behind on the rumour mill.
On everything.
Of what could happen, what the benefit might be. But there is no proven evidence that hydroxychloroquine is useful for the prevention or treatment of COVID-19 and could actually do more harm than good.
I mean, what an extraordinary state of affairs where the President of the United States is now telling people he's taking something which you, Hilary, think is potentially harmful.
What does Dr. Fauci think?
You know, he's not using it in a... I mean, the American FDA said it shouldn't be used outside of a hospital setting in any case, in any circumstances. And here he is, President of the United States, saying he's using it out of a hospital setting. It's not a great example for other people.
People use it for malaria, though, and also for lupus outside of hospital settings.
Yes. I mean, in a very carefully controlled way.
If they've got malaria or lupus, right? I mean,
yeah, absolutely.
That's when you take it.
Yeah. I mean, there are plenty of drugs that are being repurposed. They're looking at different drugs that might have a benefit. They're looking at antivirals, they're looking at steroids, they're looking at all sorts of things that could have a beneficial effect in COVID-19. But hydroxychloroquine, although it's one of them, it's not thought to have any benefit at all